Hi everyone, welcome back to TK channel. In today's video, I'll show you a very easy way to install the door hook. This is quite useful element that a lot of you will need for your back door, for your bathroom door, bedroom door. In case the slide hook is not an option. So I bought this small hook that you can see, which you can easily install in your door to increase the security, to make it more safe. Also to give an option to lock the door, the bathroom from inside. So let me show you how it looks like and how you can install it easily. So this is the black door hook for the place where the slide hook doesn't work. Try to install it lower, mostly at the bottom of the door. At this place, it's very hard, to break in or to break the hook instead of the middle. Basically, try somewhere lower here.
This is a wooden door, so you don't need to drill. You can, mount directly in using the screwdriver. First one, the second one.
That's it. Yeah, easy. And now I'm gonna install it on my bathroom because this bathroom doesn't have a lock. So yeah, that's a very easy way to add a lock from the inside.
chị cho hồ cải 1 phút ấy.
If you look at this bathroom door, it very difficult to install the slide hook because of the surface. So the easy way is to install this, this hook. You can mount it in a flexible way, and you can measure the position so the lock is exactly the way how you want it to lock. Very nice, very easy to install. That's it for this easy video. If you enjoy it, please hit the like, subscribe for the upcoming videos. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.